Today we'll conclude the chapter Understanding Diversity. It is a concept which signifies unity among individuals who have certain differences among them. These differences can be on the basis of culture, language, ideology, and religion. People traveled, practices mixed and matched, new culture evolved, diversity of culture, languages, food, religions, clothes, etc. Therefore, historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. We can understand the effect of historical and geographical factors on the diversity of a region. For example, Kerala versus Ladakh. History: both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. Geography: Kerala. The geography of Kerala allowed for cultivation of spices. Ladakh, special geographical location, and its wool drew traders to these regions. India's diversity has been recognized as a source of strength. During the British rule, men and women from different regional and cultural background came together to oppose them. Some examples of unity and diversity are Indian Freedom Movement, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The British wanted to divide and rule because of our diversity, but Indians showed unity in their fight against the British. Songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle, constant reminders of a country's respect for diversity. The Indian flag used as a symbol of protest against the British by people everywhere. So these all are examples for diversity. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase unity and diversity to describe the country in his book Discovery of India, where he told about the diversity in India. I hope you all have understood.